Hello everyone, welcome to my notebook math channel. Problems, very important problems for you. So let us start the solution for this question. What is given here? Important and repeated questions for you. Very important formula based questions. So let us do now. First question I have written already, that is evaluate integration 0 to 1. Limits are given. X square e power x dx is given. Question. Okay.
For more exclusive important questions for board exams, please do subscribe Notebook Maths channel.
How to solve this solution? Okay, now here integration is given and differentiation also we have to do. Okay, now how to solve this? Given what? Given we have integration 0 to 1 x square e power x dx is given. Okay, now we have to apply using integration by parts method. Okay, in integration we have so many methods. I'm using here integration by parts method because when we are going to use integration by parts method, when given in question the two functions are in x function, okay, not a constant or any function. Here both functions are in x function, so we have to use integration by parts method to solve this question. Okay, what is the formula for integration by parts? Okay, which is the formula we are going to use in this method? Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du, or we can use u v dash, we can use in another form, that is u v dash equal to uv minus integration of v u dash. Okay, this is the formula I am going to highlight here. Okay, we are going to use this formula in this solution. Okay, very important formula, and whenever two functions are given we have to use integration by parts method only to solve the question. Okay, now here choose from given question, we have to take u and dv. Okay, so here I am taking x square as u equal to x square and dv is equal to what? E power x. Okay, I am taking two terms are u equal to x square and dv equal to e power x. This implies du equal to 2x, okay, x dx. Okay, dv, in this we have to integrate dv equal to integrate e power x, then only we get v value. Okay, e power x we will get after integration of e power x. Okay, now we have obtained the values, that is du, dv and u. Here we also obtained. Okay, now substitute these values in the given integration by parts formula. So now apply integration by parts. Integration. Okay, now so here I equal to integration of 0 to 1. So okay, given x square e power x dx is given. So now we have to apply the formula here. Okay, so here integration by parts means uv, I am going to use this formula u dv. Okay, u is x square, v dv is e power x. Okay, then uv x square e power x, limits are 0 to 1 minus integration of v du. Okay, v is what? E power x. Okay, understood? Substitute the value and du. Du means what? 2x and dx. Okay, now let us do the separation and applying limits here. We have to integrate this second term, we don't have to integrate this first term, so we have to apply the limits here. Here 1 square, apply limits into e power m minus 0 square into e power 0. Okay, we applied. Now we have to again integrate these two terms. These two terms are in again x form only, x function, and another one also in x function. So take out these two outside, and now to integration of 0 to 1, okay, e power x dx, x dx. Okay, so let us take this one. Okay, let us do say this one first term, we have to simplify. 1 minus 1 into e power e minus 0. Okay, we get only e power e from first term. Now this is second term. Okay, 2 integration of 0 to 1 e power x into x dx we obtained here. So now we have to take second term, this we have to simplify separately. Second term, that is 0 to 1 e power x into x dx. In this we have to separate, we have to do separately, so that we can lastly we have to apply here. Okay, the integration part we have to apply here. So I am separating the term and Solving this, e power x I am taking as u. Okay, here we have to take x as u and dv is e power x. Now du is how much? 1. Differentiating we get 1 and integration of dv we get v e power x. Okay, we get e power x. Now what is the formula? uv minus integration of v du. Substitute the values. U means integration by parts only, we have to apply here. Second term, u means x, v means e power x, minus integration of 0 to 1. Okay, v means e power x dx. Okay, now x e power x 0 to 1 we have to apply here. Okay, now 1 into e power 1 minus 0, this term, first term, minus e power x means e power x only, integration. Now this one is e power 1 means e only we get here. Now here e power 1 minus e power 0 we get, that is e minus e power 1, minus into minus place. Here e power 0 is 1, so e power 1 means e only, so 1 e and e get cancelled, we get 1 here. So what we will get? 0 to 1 e power x into x dx, value is 1. 0 to 1 x e power x dx is 1. So now substitute this term. Now this term becomes e. Now I equal to what we have here? E minus 2 integration of 0 to 1 e power x x dx term is there. So now what we have obtained here, the term this one here, x e power x dx is 1 is no, so apply here e minus 2, how much? 1 we get, so e minus 2. So integral what we have obtained, the solution is e minus 2 is the solution. Okay, I have done here first term e, and second term in next step I have second term I have solved this here. Okay, now combining the two terms we get e minus 2. Okay, like this we have to solve this question. Okay, evaluate 0 to 1 integration x square e power x dx. Very important question for exams, for board exams. Okay, next one is I am going to solve next important questions for board exams, that is y equal to log of x tan x is given. Find dy by dx. Let us start the solution for this question, that is y equal to what is given here, log x e tan power x is given. Okay, so how to solve this question? So based on the differentiation we have to use different formulas, different types, different methods to solve different problems. Okay, here given what, y equal to log x tan x is given. So find dy by dx. We have to find the dy by dx term. Differentiation we have to do in this question. Okay, now apply log on both sides. Whenever power is given we have to apply log on both sides. So now we get log y equal to log of log x whole power tan x. Okay, log of log x whole power tan x is there. So now what we have to differentiate now. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, differentiating d by dx of log y and d by dx of, I am writing each and every step to clearly we have to understand each and every step I am writing clearly. So now what we have, d by dx of log y and d by dx of this term. Okay, now log y d by dx is 1 by y into y differentiation is dy by dx. Okay, now d by dx of log of this term is 1, take it as x term. Log x means 1 by, what is this term? This whole term is becomes 1 by. Okay, now applying log we can write this term as tan of log x. Okay, so wait 1 minute, here tan of x into log of log x I am writing. Okay, to make it easy we are going to write the power before the term. Okay, now 1 by y dy by dx we have to find dy by dx term only. So 1 d by dx of this term is, now we are going to solve here uv term. Okay, u is tan x and v is log x. Okay, so u into v, that is u means tan x. Since we have taken u equal to tan x and v is log x, tan x into d by dx of v, d by dx of log x. Okay, plus log x, that is v into d by dx of u, that is tan x. Okay, now what we have to do? Tan x into log of x means 1 by x into log x differentiation. 1 by log x means this term is, we are suppose this term is x, then d by dx of log x means 1 by log x. Okay, 1 by x means log x is there. So now 1 by log x and log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay, simply we have to apply differentiation, and log x, very easy, sec square secant square x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. Okay, so very easily we solve the differentiation. So tan x by x into log x, we can write x into 1 by log x is there, 1 by x is there, I am writing it as x into log x plus log x into secant square x is there. Okay, now here what? 1 by y dy by dx, here 1 by y dy by dx. So we have to find dy by dx. Okay, in given question, that is find dy by dx. So now what we have here, 1 by y is extra here, so let's remove this term and get it to this side. Okay, so write down dy by dx. I am taking this term y to this side, that is y into tan x by x into log x plus log x into secant square x. Okay, this is what we have obtained. But what we have y in the given question? Y is already given, that is log x whole power tan x. So substitute y, in place of y we have to substitute log of x whole power tan x into tan x by x log x. As it is, we have to write this term in bracket, log of x into secant square x as it is. So this is what we have to find in the given question. So therefore dy by dx is equal to log of x tan x into tan x by x log x plus log x into secant square x. This is what the solution is. So like this we have to solve. So please practice these problems for perfectly. We have to do the solution in your exam. So very easy to solve. Log x tan power x, and this one is second one, that is x square e power x. Very important, very important for your board exams. Please practice these questions. Okay, watch complete video so that you can easily understand the problem easy, and each step is very important. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates in maths topics. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.